Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my realistic glass eyes for my creations. I love using them in polymer clay sculptures, including my posable critters, and they can be used in all sorts of things, including jewelry. They really bring life to whatever you're working on. And the materials used are cheap, easy to find, and the eyes themselves are even easier to make. And the best part is they can be baked. Here's what you need to get started. First you're going to need some glass beads. Hang on to those for me, Freddy. You'll also need some small detail brushes, the smaller the better. Various colors of acrylic paints. A palette. Some refreshing tap water. And a small bit of polymer clay. Now you can find these glass beads in many places. Walmart, craft stores, even pet stores. The ones at the craft store are overpriced, but that's for good reason. They're clear, free of bubbles, cracks, or creases, and they're all relatively round and the same size. But if you're feeling frugal like me, I get mine from the dollar store called the Dollar Tree. I find them in the candle section next to the tea lights and river rock. If you're lucky, you can even find them in different sizes. I get a bag for $1, ditch the bunk ones, and pair them up according to size and shape. Find a pair that works good for you and get started. For your paint, you're going to need at least 3 or 4 colors, including black for your pupil. I like to arrange them from darkest to lightest to make it easier while I'm working. Start by making your pupil as close to the center as possible with the black paint. Keep in mind that everything you do is going to be magnified in the other side, so it's a good idea to check your work frequently. Pupils don't have to be round. You can also make them cat eye or something completely different. Try something new. Once your pupils have dried, grab a bit of that polymer clay. This can be used to hold your eyes still while you paint. Choose your first color. In this case, I'm starting with white. Work around the pupil, covering the edges in tiny dots, keeping in mind that these are going to look a lot larger on the other side. Work your way around until they both look even. Wait for your first color to dry, then you can get started on the outer edge. I usually like to do this with the darkest color. Work your way around the edge, being sure to go in far enough so it can be seen from the other side. The magnification kind of makes the edges look smaller. Do this to both until they both look the same. Some colors need 2 coats. Make sure to dry thoroughly between each one. After your second color's dry, get your next color and repeat. Dapple this color right up to the edge of your first color. Repeat with your next color if you chose to have 4. Once your eyes have dried, you should have a little bit of glass left uncovered. Cover this with 2 coats of your remaining color and let dry. Now remember that clay? Once your eyes have completely dried, and I mean completely, carefully put a small layer of polymer clay on the back and smooth it out. Careful not to smudge the paint off the glass underneath. Bake face down in a preheated oven at 275 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And there you go, ready for all your awesome projects. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. More videos coming soon.